Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Monday.com automation workflows, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable automation workflows in Monday.com, start by logging into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the board where you want to set up automation. In the top right corner, locate and click on the Automate button. A drop-down menu will appear, showcasing various automation options. Select Add Automation to access the Automation Center. Here, you can browse through pre-made automation recipes. You can also use the search bar to find specific automations based on your needs. Once you find a suitable recipe, click on it to view more details. Review the description and click on the Use button to begin setting it up. Follow the prompted steps to customize the automation according to your specific workflow. You may need to adjust triggers and actions to fit your requirements. After adjustments, review your settings carefully. Once satisfied, click on the Activate button to enable the automation. You will receive a confirmation that the automation has been successfully activated. To manage your automations, click on the Automate button again. Here, you can view all enabled automations on the board. You can also edit or deactivate any automation from this menu. Make sure to test the automation to confirm it works as expected. If needed, revisit the settings to make further adjustments. That's it. Your Monday.com automation workflows are now set up and ready to streamline your tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.